My name is Jens Niemann. I'm the product manager for the Rolls-Royce Safety Management System solution. Data analytics is hugely important in almost every aspect of the Rolls-Royce operation per se. When it comes to analyzing the life of an engine, for example, or in my case, unlocking the safety data for our airline customers. We're using Sisense to start visualizing and extending the capabilities of our main product, the Rolls-Royce SMS system.
My name is Shaul Shalev. I'm Manager Safety Analytics and Innovation. Air Canada is the largest Canadian airline, one of the founding members of the Star Alliance group. We fly currently to around 180 different destinations, both passengers and cargo. We're using AQD, or the Rolls-Royce SMS system, which is a great system to collect data, but we're really missing the portion of exporting the data out, right? Pushing the data to the end users or to the management.
It was a choice that I had to make whether we would embark on becoming experts in data visualization and generating data warehouses based on our standardized database schema, or whether we would go out and look at just implementing a solution. A major aspect of why we chose Sisense was the ease of use and the slightly lower learning curve compared to other tools out there, especially when it comes to the business users. Previously, quite often we would be approached by customers and like, for this report we would need that kind of data, can you write us a SQL script or so that does that, you know? And sometimes it even fell onto me to write these queries, and sometimes you'd spend like few hours in getting the criteria right, the joins and everything, you know. And the last time it happened, you know, I spent about half a day doing this for a particular customer, and then they wanted more. And yeah, and can we also include that criteria here and that descriptor, and you know, and you basically had to start over trying to fit this in, and I was at a point where I said like, no, let's try this differently, you know. So I went into Sisense, I connected the data source, brought in the tables, applied some of the knowledge that I acquired throughout the project with previous customers, and within minutes rather than hours, you know, I was able to have drill down capabilities into the descriptors that they were after.
So up until now, we didn't have any easy way to really deliver that data. What we're doing up until now is the traditional PowerPoint sessions, quite long, not interactive, in my mind, boring, although it doesn't have to be exciting to talk about safety events and stuff like that. It's fairly serious business, but it's very, in my mind, 2000-ish type of setup and scenario. With the Sisense product, it changes the whole scenario, the whole setup, right? So we're sitting down, we're viewing live data from a site, very interactive, very user-friendly, very visual. For me, it's light years ahead. In comparing it to the PowerPoint traditional method.
My vision is to establish a community of safety BI practitioners among our customer base. If we could make the Sisense platform the center of this community of practice, you know, I think that would allow us to start looking at data in quite different ways, because at the moment, obviously, we are using this platform to unlock the data for individual customers, but just think about what we could achieve if we started comparing similar data, you know. Wouldn't that make flying safer for everyone, you know, in the whole world at a global scale? I like that thought.